Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have door here in the center, and after that we'll go inside. So we have 4 feet wide passage here in the center, and on the right side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the left side, so we have living room here. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have wardrobe here. You can see here 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this living area. And if we go inside, so on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached powder room here. With this room you can see here the water closet arrangement, and also we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the 2-bedroom tiny house design you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.